One of the most powerful ways that you can build trust in a relationship is to repair a regrettable incident. A mistake you made, a rupture in the relationship, something you said or did that didn't quite go as you wished it had. When that happens, pause and repair. There's a tactic for this that I call just the three R's. It's taking responsibility, recommit, and reparation. The first step is responsibility. Identify what harm was done. I said it would be done today at 5 o'clock. It's now 4 o'clock. I'm not going to be able to make this deadline, even though I promised I would. Take responsibility for that action. The second step is to recommit. Next time or in the future, I will be more realistic about my time management, to recommit to a plan of action that will prevent this from happening in the future. The third step is the reparation. Repair, go above and beyond to make up for, or at least give a token gesture for the harm that was done. It may be putting in extra hours. It may be stepping in and helping someone else. Now, it may not fix the problem that was created, but it is putting your words into action. It's showing that you are committed to creating a different future. Take responsibility, recommit to a new plan, and when possible, give some sort of reparation.